Welcome on board HMS Queen Elizabeth. This is our newest aircraft carrier, 65,000 tonnes, with currently 28 aircraft embarked. That's 18 F-35Bs, 10 of which are from the United States Marine Corps, 8 of which are from the United Kingdom. As well as the jets, we've also got 10 Merlin helicopters.
First time on a British ship, never been on the US, so I can't really compare them. But this ship is pretty amazing, sleeping condition is nice, and the food is pretty good.
I'm really just enjoying the deployment in general. I've waited 3 years to be here.
Together with our NATO allies and partners to really prove the capability across all of those nations to allow us to deliver with confidence future either training or indeed operations at a time of choosing. And this is fundamental to the way we do our business as a nation, both in the United Kingdom but also across NATO.